Hey guys, what's up? Mr. Weaver here. We are going to kind of take a step back from MIT App Inventor. We're just going to focus on some flow charting the next couple days. I've got two or three activities that you're going to be working on. But again, we're going to pull this from the PLTW curriculum. We're going to be working on amazing algorithms. So, those of you that are at home, you are on activity 1.2 Amazing Algorithms. And then I will post my Google document into Classroom, the one that I want you to fill out. So, a couple things. We're going to work on part one where you're creating an algorithm. This is a simple activity of basically a hide and seek deal. And we're here on the Google Doc, and it's steps 1 through 5 on PLTW. So if you're on PLTW, Amazing Algorithms, which is step-by-step procedures, it gives you a little introduction to algorithms. There's a video, and we're going to be talking about flowcharts. You guys should remember this from last year. Geometric shapes, specific geometric shapes for the flowchart. To begin and end, it's an oval, and then all of our steps are in rectangles unless there is a condition, which that would be a rhombus. But these are basic linear flow charts. Okay. So the first activity is you are creating a hiding place and you're hiding something, and you're going to give a step-by-step directions on for your friend to find the object. Okay, so you'll list your algorithm here. It can just be a listed, numbered list, step by step, and then type in your steps here. Then I'll have you answer some questions, and then we'll move on to part two. And part two is a bus navigation scene where we have our bus that needs to get to the museum. There are different routes that you can take. Okay. So whichever route you decide to take, but each square is a move, okay? So for navigation movements, we move forward, the bus will move one block. There are no loops, nothing. It's just a linear step-by-step procedure. One move is one block. So it's going to be multiple steps that you have to create, okay? And then as far as turning left and turning right, the bus doesn't move forward and turn left or right. So if I move to the first block, so move bus forward 1, it goes up. And then if I wanted to turn left, it turns left on that square or turns right on that square, whichever one I choose. Okay. Then you would have to have it move again. Okay. So move forward, bus will move forward 1 block. Turn left, bus will turn left in place. Turn right, bus will turn right in place. So if it's going up 1, it's on the block, and then if the next step is turn left, it will turn left on that block. If it's turn right, it will turn right on that block. And then you would have to move forward 1. Okay? So you're going to create an algorithm on how you want your bus to move. You're going to write out your algorithm. It must be in sequential order, okay? And get to the museum in the bottom left corner. And here's the graphic that you will be using. I'll have handouts in class that you can actually look at as well. So you need to get the bus to the museum. There are multiple options, but there are definitely correct answers to this problem. Okay, so you're going to list your steps or do it in flowchart form. So if you remember from draw.io, you can use draw.io, or you can simply just draw and sketch out a flowchart on a sheet of notebook paper and then take a screenshot and put it into the document. Okay. Now, for the last one, you're just going to pick a common task that you would do, tying your shoes, washing your dog, and you're going to create another flowchart. And that one, I want you, well, I gave you, I'll accept step by step or a drawn flowchart or from draw.io. If you don't remember how to do draw.io, you can click on this link and watch that tutorial from last year. about using draw.io, and it's all about flowcharts, and that's about 16 minutes long. Okay, so we're going to work on this for you should be able to do it in one class sitting. If not, I'll give you a little bit more time in the second class sitting. Okay, so there are three things you're doing: the hide and seek algorithm, the bus navigation algorithm. Remember, that's a lot of steps. Bus algorithm, navigation algorithm. We're going to use this again later, something that we are actually going to code to get the bus to move. Okay, so you'll want to save your flowchart for the bus navigation. Then the next activity is you simply coming up with a common task, baking cookies, carving a pumpkin, whatever, and making that a flowchart as well. And then you're going to put everything into the Google Doc and then upload it to Google Classroom and submit it. Okay, that's it. Weaver out.